Hi everyone, I want to show you a tip and tricks on AutoCAD on how to back up and recover in case your software crashes or you experience a hardware failure. You may want to keep a backup file from the first installation or after you customize your tool settings, so that when something went wrong and suddenly your AutoCAD freezes or fails to run, you don't have to reinstall it. I know most of us doesn't back up AutoCAD after installation. What if your software crashes? Doing so will surely save your time and effort, so I'm going to show you how to do it. As you can see, I customized my workspace. I added some tools here. I have my properties right there, and I will just move these properties at the other side, and let's close this AutoCAD. Look for the AutoCAD program here, and let's export this setting. So I'll just name it as customize and save. Then open AutoCAD again. So that's the last setting that I did. The properties already here, and these tools are here. How to recover the original setting from the first installation. All you have to do is open this again, AutoCAD, and import. I'm going to select the original setting and open it. Just unselect this one and click OK. Then open AutoCAD. Now, as you can see, this is the original setting from the first installation. My command prompt background is white. I have the basic tools here. I don't have the tools here anymore. I don't have the properties. So close this one, and let's restore the original customize. So now it shows the customized setting. My workspace is what I prefer again, and that's how quickly you can recover your AutoCAD when it crashes, when it freezes, when something went wrong with the software. I hope you like this video and wait for more videos to come.